Hello friends, welcome back. Today's video topic is how to use a custom image as an application logo while converting Python script to an executable application. As you can see in the screen, here I have this EMI calculator Python script. I want to create an executable application and I also want to use this image as an application logo. For this, the first requirement is to convert this normal image to an ICO image format. To convert the normal image to ICO format, here I have a script in Notepad document. Let me open this Notepad. Here you can see this is the script we need. If you want to download this script, you can download this Notepad document from the link given in the video description section. Now here in the script, you have to change the name of the normal image in this section. Like here you can see logo.png is given. In this logo, I have to replace the name of this normal image, that is EMI logo. So let me go to script and put here EMI logo dot png. So this is the change you need to do. After updating the image file name here, now you need to save this Notepad document as a Python file. For that, click on the file tab, click on save as. Here in the save as type, choose all files, and here in the file name, put here createico.py. Now save this Notepad document, close this. Here you can see the Python file is created for this createico script. Now you can simply double click on this Python script to convert this PNG image to ICO image. Let me double click on this script. Now here you can see this image is converted to ICO format. In the information you can see item type is given as ICO file. Now we can use this ICO image as an application logo. Now to bundle this script as an executable application, open here Windows PowerShell. You can put PowerShell in the search bar and here it will suggest the application, that is Windows PowerShell. Click on it to open. First of all, make sure if you have installed a Pyinstaller in your PC. For that, you can simply put here pip install Pyinstaller. Then press enter. If the Pyinstaller is already installed in your system, then you'll see the message like this: requirement already satisfied. I have already installed Pyinstaller, that's why I got this message. If you haven't installed Pyinstaller, then it will start installing Pyinstaller in your system. So you have to wait until the installation finish. After installation is finished, now you have to copy the folder location where these files are. For that, simply click on this folder address bar, then copy this location. Right click and copy. Go to PowerShell and here put cd space double quotation, then paste the location you copied by pressing Ctrl V, double quotation, then press enter. Now PowerShell has selected the location where these files are, that is E drive, then EMI calculation folder. Next, to convert the Python script into an executable application by using custom image, write this code here, that is Pyinstaller space double dash. Then here you can choose either one file or one directory method. You can choose any method. If you want to see the difference between the one file method and one directory method, then you can watch my previous videos. The link I will put in the video description below. Here in this particular case, I am using one file method. Then put a space, put double dash, then no console, put a space. Now to set up the application logo, put here double dash icon equal to, then put the file name of the ICO image, that is icon. Here you can see. So put here icon equal to icon.ico, then put a space, Finally, for the file name of Python script, that is emi underscore calculator dot py. So put here emi underscore calculator dot py. This dot py is the Python file extension. After putting this code here, you can simply press enter. Then it will start bundling the application as an executable file with a application logo. Let me press enter. Here you can see it has started the bundling process. Once this process gets finished, then you can see the executable application with the custom image is an application logo. Here you can see build complete. The result are available in E drive EMI calculation, then distribution folder. Now you can close this Windows PowerShell, and here you can see some other folders are created where you can see this distribution folder. Now if you open this folder, here you can see the EMI calculator application is given with the custom image as an application logo. Now you can simply double click on this EMI calculator application, then the application will open. Here you can see this is the EMI calculator application and the custom image is used here. Now you can simply share this application to other users. So this is all about how to use custom image as an application logo while bundling Python script as an executable application. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.